Hey, welcome to the course on business statistics. In this class, I'm going to teach you the in-depth concept and implementation of sampling methods. Are you a researcher and you want to know how and where to gather the data? Then you are in the right place in the right time. In this class, our main objective is to explain the in-depth concepts of data gathering techniques. We will start the class by defining the most important statistical terms like population, sample, census, survey, etc. Then I will explain the theoretical concept of different sampling methods. Once we understand the sampling methods, I will practically demonstrate the sampling methods in Microsoft Excel and Python with the data. I will show you how to do the random sampling, stratified sampling, cluster sampling, manually in Excel. And also the same concept I will demonstrate in the most powerful language, that is Python. Most interesting here is the concept that you can apply even in the big data analytics too. Cool, right? Then let's get into the class for more fascinating concepts. I will see you inside the class.